Arogamiriri a kiama kia Marigitari KMPDU maugite thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ndimarihite micara yao kuma mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku ona thutha wa kugeria gukinyira uhoro ucio.
Na micara ya kuma Disemba kinya mweri wa gatatu ndihitwo na kuri angiona mweri wa gatatu na wa kana uria wira matirihitwo na mau nimo maundu maria turenda thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu eke tondu ni twacokire wira na twacokire wira ni undu ni kuri maundu twetikiranirie.
Marenda thirikari itigirire Marigitari ni mariho mbeca icio niguo arwaru matige gutangika.
Muthenya wa Wednesday turiukaga haha tukaga kuruta wira tiga kuheana services cia emergency peke yake, kliniki cikahingwo tukaga guthie ta korwo ni undu uria urabangirwo no turithiaga thieta tondu wa emergency o muthenya kinya mweri uyu thire. Mweri uyu wathira na matigukorwo marihite madagitari na gwika maundu maria mangi magirikanirwo ni tuheanite notice ya withdraw service ciothe kuma mweri wa June.
Na kwa kaunti ya Machakos bishanoyo Marigitari makirurungana na makaiga miro thii makiheta matikuheana motungata ma urigitani nginya mariho micara yao.
We are facing delayed salaries in Machakos, not just about the 3-month one. No one is sure when if you're paid in the first or second week of the following month.
Work should not be interrupted in any way. We are losing lives. People are sick and it is very necessary for them to have their salaries paid and for there not to be any interruption of services.
Maugite thibitari nene ya Machakos ndiri na indo njiganu cia kumahotithia matungatire muingi.
We want good working conditions. We want motivating factors and not demotivating factors.
Ihinda-ini riri motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini ya Machakos ni mathararite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.
Tumechoka.